I welcome you today to my channel, and if today is your first time, subscribe. Okay, alright, today I'll be taking us on number system. Number system is simply the way we represent numbers in mathematics, and I'll be taking us to the first number we are going to talk about is the natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear this word natural numbers? Okay, natural numbers are simply counting numbers. The number you count every day. Counting numbers are the natural numbers, and they are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay, so natural numbers are counting numbers. Is that clear? So next also we'll look at is the whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are simply the natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers plus 0. Plus, let me write in words. 0. Okay, whole numbers are what? Natural numbers plus 0. Again, whole numbers are natural numbers plus 0. So if I'm to put it in the set, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Is that clear? Next I have is integers. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Okay, positive and negative what? Whole numbers. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers. If I'm to put them in the set, I'll have them those way. Let me say from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Next I have is rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers you can express as ratios. Okay, you can express them as ratios or fractions. Okay, ratios or fractions can have as in A is to B or A over B. Okay, when we have them in fraction like A over B, A is the numerator. A is the numerator, while B is the denominator. Okay, and A and B are integers. They are integers. Okay, they are integers, and B must not be 0. Okay, these are conditions for this rational numbers. Okay, B must not be 0. A can be 0, but B must not be 0. Okay, and A and B are integers. They are integers. Okay, so that is it for rational numbers. You can see from the word ratio, we now have rational. Okay, so any number you can express as a ratio or fraction, and you have the numerator and the denominator to be integers, that is your rational number. Okay, so next we have is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the ones you cannot express as ratios or fractions. I call them infinite decimals. Infinite decimals. You have their decimals uncountable. Okay, so example is √2. Infinite decimals. You cannot express irrational numbers as ratios, okay, or fractions. They are infinite decimals. Example, √2. Then the last one I'm going to be talking about is the real numbers. Real numbers. Real numbers are numbers you can use and apply in real life problems. Any number that you can use and apply in real world is what? A real number. Any number you can use and apply it in the real world to solve real life problem is a real number. So all these previous ones I mentioned are all real numbers, okay? All right. So that is it for today. So we talked about natural numbers, the counting numbers, the whole numbers, natural numbers plus 0. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Rational numbers are the ones you can express as fraction or ratio. Irrational numbers are the ones you cannot express as fraction or ratio. You have infinite decimals, okay? They have infinite decimals. And then real number is any number you can use and apply in the real world. Any number. In fact, it runs from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment box below. Thanks so much for listening and God bless you. Bye.